Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today I wanted to play with makeup again. And as you maybe know, if you watched my other video, I bought some stuff on BEAUTYBAY. And this palette was one of the things that I bought. It's from the brand BEAUTYBAY and it's called New Romantic. And I think it was the palette that they launched for Valentine's Day. And I think it's beautiful. We have a lot of pink, red, coral, peaches, so it's my kind of vibe. We have some neutral color to do the transitions, and we have a black, we have some purpley color, and we have even like a green olivey gold color. So let's dive in, people. I don't know yet if I'm gonna do two different looks, so I will begin with one eye and we'll see after if I'm gonna do another one. First off, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take Vanilla, this beige color. I have the pillowy base on. I did the face, except I didn't do bronzer, blush and all that. I'm gonna do that after. I just put some foundation, concealer, did my eyebrows. And I'm placing this color under the brow, just to help with the blending. As you can see, we don't see the color. It's just to help with the blending. Okay, I think I'm gonna begin with Flamingo. And with the same brush, I'm gonna begin above my crease, in the middle of the eye. And just doing circular motion to buff and blend that color. I'm continuing a little bit right there. I'm just following the brow, and with what is left, I'm going a little bit on this side. I'm really loving those palettes from BEAUTYBAY. I think they're really good. Then with a fluffy brush, but more precise, I'm gonna take the color Smoothie, this one. We're staying into the pink for the moment. So I'm going a little bit above my crease as I have put it high. So as you can see, when I'm looking in front of me, I'm putting the color right above my natural crease. Otherwise, when my eyes are open, we will not be able to see the color if I put it a little bit under. And I'm stopping in the middle. I'm leaving this space blank at the moment. And I'm just following the color that I just put. Same brush, I'm gonna take Claret, I have no idea what this means. And this color, I'm going to place it for the moment right here, going in direction of the pinks. So like following up to my brow. I'm not going all the way, but such a beautiful color, very rich. And with what is left, I'm gonna put a little bit under the smoothie color. The smoothie color. So I did kind of a cut crease. I used the BEAUTYBAY white base for the eye, and as you can see, I tried to do a little bit more of a circle. I didn't want to, do a normal cut crease, but to help with the round shape, I'm gonna take that kind of pencil, more precise, and I'm gonna take the color Claret, and I'm gonna like accentuate the round shape. I'm gonna use the shade Milkshake, this one, on the shape that we just created. It's like a coral, and I'm hoping it's kind of vibrant. But normally the white of the base is gonna help with the vibrancy. Right, I have an idea. I'm taking a little bit of the white base again, and with a brush that I'm hoping is kind of precise, I'm gonna do a white line right here. This brush is not good. So I have from Suva Beauty the Space Panda. You know, it's a cake liner, I think it's called. You have to put some water or some spray on it to activate the formula. And I'm gonna create like little paste. Let's see. I'm just, you know, trying some stuff. I have no idea if it's gonna be good or not. I'm hoping it will be, obviously. It's just that I don't have the right tool. I really have to invent some liner. Brush, I mean, liner brush. Okay, well, it's not perfect, obviously, but I will have to buy a more precise brush, but it will be okay for today. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take the color Birthday, the really pale pink. And I'm gonna put that here. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep following the white line above with the more reddish pink. I have no idea if what I'm doing is great. I mean, or pretty. To be frank, those days I don't even know if I know how to do makeup anymore. It's funny with my hooded eye, when I look straight, you have a weird shape going on, but if I walk like this, I think it will be okay. So I will just have to look everybody from, you know, like, what do you want? Something like that, you know. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. For the inner corner, I'm gonna use Queen. It's a mix with, well, let me show you a swatch. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. There is some pink, some gold, some purple. Loving it. I'm putting that right here, just at the beginning. subtle, but it's here, you know. And I'm gonna take oyster to bring a little bit of light right there. I think a little bit right here too. And under the brows. Let's do the other eye. First, I'm making sure there is no line. Taking vanilla again. Put it under the brow. I'm going in with embers, fluffy brush above the crease, doing a little bit of like a circle, adding some depth with Mars. Same movement. Just trying to be a little bit under the first color, blending the two together. I'm going to take Saddle to do a Hello High, so I'm gonna place this color first right here. And in the inner corner too. I didn't notice that I wasn't feeling big anymore. So I put some white base on. I'm just blending above. I'm taking the same brush with the saddle color. I put a little bit of black and I'm just trying to, you know, diffuse to have less harsh lines. But just a little bit because we're gonna put some color above. And I think that for today I'm gonna go for, that's hard to choose, it's so hard to choose. I'm having this beautiful purple right here. This is the gold. I thought it's gonna be more olive gold, but actually it's more on the yellow side. I have this one, it is more like soft pink, which is quite pretty as well. Wow, this one is so pretty. Let's try the purple one. It's the color Royal, and I'm putting that on the white. I'm gonna go for the khaki for the inner corner. Under the brow, I'm gonna use the color Chintz. This one, it was like the very pale pink. So I finished out of camera because I was afraid it's gonna be a too long video. I put some purple liner on the waterline. This side it was like a pinky metallic color. For the face, I used the Hourglass palette, I used the bronzer, this color, and I used this pinky purpley coral color for the blush. For the highlight, I used Wet n Wild, this beautiful color After Sex Glow, this one obviously. And for the lips, I did a little combo. I used the Lunar Beauty, the black lipstick called Wicked. Then on top of it, I put a little bit of Sugar Peel, the color that I can't pronounce. This one, it's purple and it has some blue glitter. And then on top of it, I put some lip gloss from Lime Crime, the White Cherry Disco Cherry. So it's a lot of glitters, purple, green, pink, absolutely stunning. So here what we have, a more pink and cat eye moment right here, and this side is more smoky and hello eyes. So tell me down below which one do you prefer. I think it's, wait, where is it? I think it's a beautiful palette. You can definitely create a nude look with it, with those kind of color right here. Up, you have your brown. You can do so much with it, even if it is in the same kind of color area. And the shimmer are always so pretty, and you know, with different reflect. That's something that I really appreciate on this brand. So I definitely recommend this palette if it is still available. I don't know if it was in limited edition, I can't remember, but yeah, if you can grab it, do it. I think it's really good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked the video. If it is the case, please put a like on it. That really helps me, guys. And I see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.